We're on SAT Practice Test 9, Math Section 2, Question 15. What's the level of difficulty here? It's hard. Keenan made 32 cups of vegetable broth. Keenan then filled X small jars and Y large jars with all the vegetable broth he made. The equation 3x plus 5y equals 32 represents this situation. Which is the best interpretation of 5y in this context? So what are we looking for here? Well, we're looking for what's 5y. This problem is algebra and words. These problems come up on every SAT. Evil Testing Service usually makes them easy, but as you can see here, can also make them hard. They can make them medium too. Anytime you see these kinds of problems, you want to deconstruct what's going on. So let's just start, and you should always start, by writing down what the letters are. What is X? It's small jars. And what's Y? It's big jars. What else do we have? We have an equation, 3x plus 5y equals 32. On algebra and words problems, you're going to want to cross off, so write A, B, C, D. What are we looking for in this equation? We're looking at 5y, trying to decide what it is. What is Y? We said Y is big jars. So you can always go and cross off answer choices that are going to say what Y is not. Small jars. A says number of large jars. All right, that's cool. B says number of small jars. No, Y is big jars, so that's gone. C says large jars. All right, that's cool. D says small jars. All right, that's gone. You can always get these down to two answer choices if you can just figure out what the letter's about and cross off answer choices that don't agree. Now, 5y, there's two things in it, right? There's a 5 and there's a y. What's the y? Y is the big jars. And what's the 5? 5 is, well, it's the number of big jars. Okay, what's A say? A says number of big jars. Is that 5y? No, man, that's just 5. So that's gone. C, the only answer that's left, says total number of cups of vegetable broth. So that's 5, the number of y, the large jars. It's the thing combined. It also happens to be a much more complex answer than A. And if you think about it, that's much more likely to be right on a hard question. You can get these right very quickly, very methodically, no matter what the level of difficulty, and move on.